beautiful Lahori summer, 46 to 50 degrees centigrade, no power, but there's one great powerhouse to deal with, is Rabt. It's a group of volunteers who come against all these odds, would come here for a greater cause, which nothing can stop them from.
We are basically connecting with students in government schools in Pakistan. We are connecting them to another social and economic class of students from private universities in Pakistan and from abroad.
These people who come out here not for paychecks, but for pleasure, but for something greater than that. Go Rabt.
Had a guest lecture at Rabt, and we spoke in front of the children of Rabt about Germany, about brotherhood, about Holland, and about No Mountain Too High.
The best part was probably the curiosity of the children. They bombed us with questions that sometimes we couldn't answer, and I think the favorite question was why the world is not one big country, and that all this separation in the world is an illusion. And sometimes I wish we all would see the world as these kids do.
Working with these kids is a pleasure. They're very, very talented. Unfortunately, their only exposure to theatre has been Bollywood cinema.
I thought the way Meena took a design element of the way the class is structured, perhaps that's because of her architecture training, and then she enabled a way to connect that in a way to say how does learning happen at a higher education institution like Harvard. I thought that was completely fascinating. I learned a lot.
We feel that if every child has that sort of an experience in class and not just a lecture, they could walk away having actually absorbed what they've learned.
So coming into Rabt, I never thought I'd be taken aback for a few days at the ideas that these kids could have. And you'd be amazed at how you give them a little helping hand, and the ideas they put forward just amaze you to such an extent.
And not everybody actually gets a chance to reach out to children from the government sector and actually make a difference.
So Rabt for me has been a fabulous experience as such, getting to know these kids better and teaching them critical thinking and analyzing things in a broader way, a way that they've not been taught at the government schools that they're going to.
I've seen a great change and it feels really nice because we're actually making a difference in some way or the other.
यहाँ हिस्ट्री पढ़ाते हैं, फिलोसफी पढ़ाते हैं, जो हमने स्कूल लाइफ में कभी भी नहीं पढ़ी।
आर्ट्स के भी टीचर बहुत अच्छे थे, उन्होंने भी हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाया, चीज़ें किस तरह बनानी, आर्ट्स होती क्या चीज़ है, किस तरह आर्ट्स के भी करते हैं। और उसके बाद ड्रामा की क्लास उधर उन्होंने डांस भी सिखाया है, एक्टिंग करना भी सिखाया, किस तरह थिएटर में जाके स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करते हैं, वो सब कुछ उन्होंने बताया हमें।
For me, being a volunteer at Rabt was actually probably the most amazing thing that I could have ever thought of doing. And considering the fact that I have experienced this whole organization, it's just amazing.
Arts and humanities या साइंस के अलावा जो मज़ामीन हैं जिनमें अमली काम नहीं होता, आप उसी को साइंस कहते हैं।
मुझे यहाँ आके ये खुशी हुई कि इन बच्चों के पास बहुत सी नई बातें हैं, लेकिन उनको इस सूरत से उनके जहन में पैवस्त कर दिया गया है कि वो पुरानी बातें, फरसुदा बातें, घिसी-पिटी बातें दोहराने पर मजबूर हैं।
See, entrepreneurship has changed today. It does not only mean taking risks to make profits. Today, it also means that you take risks to deliver value to the society. And this is the thrust of social entrepreneurship that Rabt survives on. And this is the message that we want you all to take from it. that it doesn't take much more than just getting up and do it. And we want you to do it for Rabt and others as well. I would like to encourage Rabt and all those who work on these lines much more needed, but at least there are certain strides being made by volunteers, taking time out of their own personal lives and professional lives and doing things for a greater cause than just backstage.
जो इनके रस्मी उस्ताद नहीं है, जो गैर रस्मी उस्ताद हैं, इनसे गैर रस्मी तौर पर बात करके इनके अंदर दो चीज़ों की सलाहियत को उजागर कर सकते हैं और दो चीज़ों के मानी इनके लिए पैदा कर सकते हैं। एक तो ये मानी कि वो खुद क्या है, इंसान होने का शरफ़ क्या है, इंसान होने की सबसे बड़ी नेमत क्या है, और दूसरा ये कि एक अच्छा शहर माशरे का एक अच्छा फ़र्द कैसे